traders, you're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise, and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video right here on BTC USDT chart. I'm going to show you what is going to happen next right at this very point with this very BTC USDT 4-hour chart right here on Binance. We see Bitcoin fall from this very level of $52,887 back to this very area of $39,000. So what are you going to do right here where the price is right now? So what I'm expecting right now is for price to go back a little bit right down. We see the market went up from this very area right down. So if we take this very trend line right here and then we draw this trend line from this area back down to this very level, or we stop where we have this close right here, and then the market from here go right up. So we are expecting the market to move back down again. So we consider this as an impulse, then retracement up to this very level. So right here on this very analysis, I'm going to show you all of this in a moment. So if you're new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification. Then if you're also new to this very channel, check the content on this very channel and you see other informative content that will help your trading methods. So let's dive right in. So right here on this very chart, if you look at it very well, we see that there is a very strong support level right here, and this support level have turned resistance from this very area. So if you look at it very well, at this very point we see the market is at a very strong resistance. So support right here, which is resistance at this very point. So what I am actually expecting here is for the market to come back right down. Now this market coming back right down here is not going to be an impulsive move. It's going to be a little retracement to the downside, and then market is going to continue back up. So don't expect the market to go back right down or create a new low. I am not expecting the market to go back right down up to this point. I'm expecting the market to just retrace back down up to this very point, and then we should see the next move in the market. So you should be very much bullish on Bitcoin if you see this very structure broken right there. So if this market is coming back up and you see the market break through this very area of resistance, that is this support level right here, turn resistance at this very point, and if you see the market go back right up, then it will be a good time to be looking for a buy position on BTC right now. So this very area is a very strong area, and if it is broken, then be very bullish on Bitcoin. So right now, like I said earlier, what I'm expecting on Bitcoin right now is for price to drop a little bit down, either up to this point but not creating a new low. Okay, so that is what I am actually expecting on this very chart, BTC USDT chart. Very simple and straightforward analysis. Now let me get the right down here on BNB USDT chart. There's something very fascinating right there that I want to show you as well. So BNB USDT chart right here. BNB USDT at this very point, you see the market as well has dropped up from this very level, $500 something up to this very price of $3,700. So right here on BNB USDT, you see support, turn resistance at this very level, and then we see the market struggling to break this very level. If you look at it very well from momentum trading, you discover that this very move is a strong impulsive move right down, and the market have to retrace, and this retracement is about 50% retracement. If you use your Fibonacci to spot out this, you see this is at 50% retracement, and the market have to retrace back down again. Now if you look at it very well, right on this very chart, I give a signal on my VIP signal group. If you look at it very well, if I put the MACD right there on my chart, right there on BNB USDT chart, if you put the MACD right there, I give a signal in my VIP signal group, and the reason why we took that trade from this very area is because of this very bullish divergence. If you look at it very well, there's a bullish divergence right at this very end. So I'm going to show you here. Right at this point, you see a bullish divergence from this point to this very point, say on the chart right here. And then if you go to the indicator, you see a bullish divergence from this very point up to this very area. So that is why we took a trade right here on BNB USD chart on this very pair. Okay, so right now on BNB, I am expecting the market to go back right down, but that position, we're going to see holding that position right in our VIP signal group. So what I'm expecting right here, since I'm seeing the bull becoming a little bit stronger right here, and then this bear they are not giving up as well in the market. So right here on the chart, I'm going to expect the market to retrace back down up to this very point before we'll see another ride to the upside. So if the market break this very point, in the case of this very analysis on BNB USD chart, this is a very strong resistance level. When the market break this very area, then expect the market to rally back up very fast. So I'm expecting the market to come back to this very area, so from this very point right here up to this very area. So if you see the market break this very resistance, then expect the market to go back right up. And when the markets come here, don't expect the market to just shoot up from here to the upside. Expect a consolidation within this area, within this zone of resistance level, or the market will pull back a little bit after this impulsive move that is going to happen in the market. Expect the market to retrace back down, or expect a consolidation before the market is going to ride back up. So that is that, guys, on today analysis. BTC USD chart. BTC is going to go down a little bit before it will then go back up, and don't expect the market to just form a new low on that very chart. Then right here on BNB USD chart, expect the market to come back down a little bit as well before it will then go back up. So right here, expect this very resistance to hold the market in the future, because it's going to certainly do. And when the market comes to this very area, expect it to retrace back down, or a consolidation, a breakout of this very resistance is a very good entry for you guys. And I'm going to show you what to do right here on BNB USD chart and BTC charts as well. So thank you very much, guys, for watching today's video. Like I said earlier, if you're not registered on Binance, OKX and crypto.com, check the link in the description of this video and do your registration immediately. And then if you want to enroll for the Remit Trade Intensive Cryptocurrency course and mentorship program, check the contact in the description of this video and get in class with me immediately. And also, you want to get a physical training right here in Port Harcourt, visit us at our trading hall. The address is in the description of this video as well. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.